Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make this super cute cutie bow that I refer to, and I'm also going to show you how to use this pearl press tool to add your pearls, because this one is absolutely perfect for hiding like the mess that you would see if we didn't have, say they didn't have the tail, like a normal like chair style or sailor bow, depending on what you refer it to. This one perfectly hides those ribbits, and like if you had embroidery, it hide embroidery mess from the back as well. So it's a really cute bow, it's a really nice size, and what you need is your 3.5 inch template, 1.5 inch ribbon, and I'm using 55 centimeters, and all the information will be in the description box below. So what you want to do is fold it in half and get a pen to mark your centre. There we go. And at the edges, take your lighter, the blue clear bit of the flame, heat seal your edges so you don't get any fraying. And I'll show you how to work out the pearl placement. What we do is let's just line up my pin a little bit more centrally, because my depth perception went a little bit there. You can tell I've not got my glasses on today. Just pop that there, and then to get your shape on this one, we take from the edge to there. I'm going to take a little clip, place it there, and then the opposite side you do the same thing. And what you want to do is to make sure you've got this in alignment, and then it's going to work out. You want both your cross triangles, so you triangle this side and you triangle this one, to line up in the centre there. And my trick for when I'm working out where to place pearls is put a clip here, clip there, and a clip there, and we're going to see the pearls here and here. So what you do is get a few more clips here, or you can mark it out with pins, whichever you find easier. I prefer clips because I don't like mark the fabric. So we're going to be able to see the pearls here to here, and from about there to there. And then we can unclip the centre, take those extra clips out there. And I did work it out that it works out roughly about 14 centimeters from the center and about 17.5. So the first clip's at about 14 and the second one's at about 17.5, and that's about the same on each side, so you've got a nice balance. And then to work out where you want your pearls so that they're all nice and lay flat and lay where they should, and they're not like all over the place, is I've got what this is, which is a threader pen. And this, if you put a dot on your fabric there and then take your lighter, it goes away. So what I do with my clips when they're like this is I move them up a little bit on the ribbon, and then you want to fold it in half, and then using your clips, glide your clips together like this, and then mark your centre, and then repeat on the opposite side, and then work out where you want your pearls to sort of go, so that they're sort of about the same. And like I said, you can do any pattern that you want. Like I said, I put 5, I tried 6. 6 seems like too much to me. 5 seems about right, but you could do 1, you could do 2, you could do 7 if you wanted. So like I said, just play around like that. Now, to save time, because it does take a few moments to add the pearls, I have this one already here and I've got them done, but I will show you how to put one on this one here. So once you've worked out your placement, you can take your clips off because they get in the way. And in the kit for your pearl press, you get this tool, which comes with individual heads that you can take off and remove depending on what you need for your style. So you just take that off, put the correct size on, and screw that until it's in place. And this bit is where your rivets go. And the little rivets to attach the pearls are these. Can you see? And what you do is you take one, you place it in the base, and make sure that the spikes are pointing upwards. Okay, and then you want this style of pearl, which are faux plastic pearls that have no holes in at all. So they're just really cheap plastic pearls. You can get sets like this with different sizes, and I'm using, I think it's 6mm. And then where you've got that soft bit there with your pearl, place it there. And then place it on so you've got your rivet where you've got the centre, and very gently press down or press up and then release, and the pearl should still be sat in the little thing, and then you can pop it out, and your pearl should be nice and flat to the material like that. And what you want is them all to look as flat as possible. If you get any that are like too far up, like where the rivet's not completely gone here, you can take a seam ripping tool or anything with a nice point, and you can get it underneath the rivet. And be careful of your material because you might have to, but if you are gentle enough sometimes, you can get them back out. Obviously this one's a little bit tougher, but if you don't quite catch it, you can actually get them out. Anyway, I'll leave that one so I don't wreck fabric, but as you can see, we have this one all ready to go with our pearls in the right place. Just move that out of the way, and then we can get our 3.5 inch template back in. And like I said, when we start, we want to make sure that the pearls are at the back, lining up with our template again. Bring this side over, make sure it's there. Clip, clip there. Over this side. Clip, clip there. Remember to add your clip in the centre. This is just to make the back a little bit easier to hold in place. Then we can flip this over. And the key to this style of bow is taking this bit, lining it up so you've got this triangle, bringing it to the back so it's at this back point here. Hold it to your template, and what I like to do is line it up with the back and then hold it in place by pinning it like this, and then you can turn it over and take the front clip out, and then take your needle and thread, and from the top you want to go in for 1, 2, 3, 4, just before your triangle at the top. You can take your pin out at this point so it doesn't get in the way. 5, and you want your 6 up through the triangle at the back. And then pull your thread along. Making sure you've not hooked it on your template anywhere, which I have. Just unhook it there. And then you can pull it up. And as you can go, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3. And then take your clips off. And you can slide it down your template. And what I like to do to make sure it lays nice and flat when we've got the bow in place is with your scissors, cut that side down, take your lighter, blue clear bit of the flame, heat seal, move this bit out of the way, make sure you're not catching any of the threads or anything like that. Again, cut some of that triangle down, make sure you don't cut away any threads or burn any threads or anything like that. and then we can go pinch, and we've got a nice 3 accordion crease, and then wrap your thread round. 1, 2, 3. And then we can stitch off in the back however you like to. And cut your thread off. There we go. And then I've got a little clip here, a little 55mm clip. I'm going to add this to the back, and then we're going to do the centre. And I've done like a little scrunchy centre on this one, because again it helps balance out the bow and give it that extra cute look. So I've got a clip there, and then I've got more 1.5 inch ribbon, 35mm ribbon, and we're going to cut just a little piece here. You want about 6.5 centimetres. What you're going to do with your thumb is take it against your thumb and make an S shape like this. Then take your lighter, pinch those together, use the blue clear bit of the flame, and then pinch them so it seals them together. And then using the same side, do the same thing, do the S/V shape against your thumb, pinch it together, blue clear bit of the flame, heat seal it together. There we go. And then you get that cute little scrunch look. And then on one of the flat sides, you're going to put some glue there. Press that down in the centre, and then bring it from underneath, wrap it over so you get that nice cute scrunch look, then bring it over the other side. Little bit of glue there. Make sure that there's none going to be shown anywhere on your bow. And there you go. You've got a super cute cutie bow with pearls, using the pearl press stud. Nicely balanced and super cute. And like I said, it hides all those ribbits and all those mess. And like I said, it's just a cute, easy little style. Thanks for watching, everyone. Bye.